So here in day one, we're really focusing on the craft of selling, which means prospecting, which means very intentionally reaching out to non-customers, people we're not working with. And one of the best techniques that we've found for this is to gamify it, have some points, and also for me, to share some of the attention, I get judges involved. So not only do you get people learning from each other, but then you've got judges who are really locked in, and we identify some leaders who've been around the industry for a while who can share very specific feedback on what to do better. So we got learning from a whole bunch of different angles. So not only is it fun, it's competitive, but a ton of insights that can really speed improvement quickly. So that's what our plan was today. Now, got to get back to it. So we went hard today from 8 in the morning till 4 in the afternoon with a lot of energy, a lot of competitions to keep everybody engaged. We have a short break to regroup, then we put them on buses, we go to an undisclosed location, and then the competition continues in a much lighter mood, involving some other creatures that a lot of these folks haven't been around, and it's a blast. Tomorrow, we're right back into it.